Ready to step up and make your first private label branded product? Here are the top 3 points to make your Amazon FBA business become a money-making machine. Product research. Uncover the golden nuggets of opportunity hidden within the vast Amazon marketplace. Discover products that have customers flocking like seagulls to a French fry truck, and watch your profit margins soar like a rocket headed for the moon. Check out our partner discounts online at dealhuntersfba.com. Supplier Selection. Forge partnerships with suppliers who can deliver products at prices so good, you'll feel like you're getting them for free. With the right suppliers, you'll be raking in profits faster than a kid picking up coins at an arcade. Listing optimization. Craft irresistible product listings that have customers reaching for their wallets faster than a magician pulls a rabbit out of a hat. With compelling descriptions and eye-catching images, you'll have customers hitting that "Buy Now" button like it's the last sale on earth. Starting an Amazon FBA business is your ticket to financial abundance. With the right strategies in place, you'll be on the fast track to making piles of money that would make Scrooge McDuck jealous. So get ready to swim in a sea of profits and live the life of your dreams. Or take the easier option, buy deals from Deal Hunters FBA and watch that money fly in. Check out our free Telegram group, linked down below.